Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. First message for us today is My holiness shines bright and clear today. In this world, you can become a spotless mirror in which the holiness of your Creator shines forth from you to all around you. You can reflect heaven here. The more you purify yourself, the better mirror you can become, and the more divine light you can spread. Let's see the second message today. Don't dim to fit in. How are you dimming your light in order to fit in? Don't dim your light to accommodate someone else's smallness. We are all born to shine big and bright. The universe is expanding and you are part of the universe. So expanding is part of your nature. If someone makes you want to retract, notice and slowly back away. They are not for you and you are not for them. Better yet, find it within yourself to expand and shine your light anyway. Flowers don't open and close according to who is walking by. They open and show their beauty regardless. If others don't want to be around you or you make them uncomfortable, it's because you are shining light on the fact that they are dimming to fit in. By choosing to shine bright, you may just inspire them to turn on their light too, or not. Keep your light on anyway. All relationships are essentially an energetic agreement. The moment one person decides to start rising up and allowing their light to shine, it changes the energetic agreement and can create some waves. They are completely normal. The relationships that are meant to last will adapt to the change in energy. Others won't because they were likely born under the proviso of I love you as long as you don't shine brighter than me. That's okay. Not all people are meant to be in your life forever, but the lessons they teach us can still live on. And this is an inquiry card. So, work your light inquiry is how are you dimming your light in order to fit in? We have one more card today. So let's check that message. Anna, grandmother of Jesus. And the message is seeding the light, laying foundation, divine plan. Anna, grandmother of Jesus, was an ancient mystic who dedicated her life to laying the foundations for Christ's consciousness to be woven through all of life. She is not widely known, but without her, Christ's consciousness would not be rising as it is today. Anna represents the quiet dedication that is sometimes required to live a life of service. She represents the generations that came before that devoted their lives to dreaming a new world into being while knowing that they would not see the glorious end result. She represents the dutiful soldier, the unconditional mother, and the mystic who can see the thread that is woven through all of life. Anna teaches us that we all have a part to play in the divine plan. It doesn't have to be on the world stage to be significant. One person's part is not worthier than another. One person's part may be to mother their children. Another's may be to gather women in circle every month. No part is better or worse, more important or less significant. We each have within us a seed of light that we incarnated to share. Anna is gathering us all to remember and surrender to our part of the plan. So, this is an activation card. So, how can you use this to work your light activation? Hold your hands on your heart portal and say, Beloved Anna, thank you for laying the foundations for the divine plan. May the seeds of light within me be revealed, and may I surrender to my part of the divine plan. So, those are the messages today. So, the messages for today are: be the spotless mirror so the divine light can shine from within you. So, keep polishing yourself. And wherever you are dimming your light, inquire, where are you dimming your light by trying to fit in? A lot of times we tend to conform to the societal norms and try to fit in. We try to please people. And in doing that, we lower our vibration and we dim our light. So ask yourself, where is it that you are dimming your light? And how can you shine your light bright? Also, you are here to shine your light bright by working on yourself and seeding in the light for the collective. We all are in the ascension, and at this time, this planet requires us to bring that light and anchor that light in on the planet. And you can help by helping children, helping women, or in general helping the humanity. You are laying the foundations, seeding the light here, and you're helping with the divine plan. So don't dim your light and shine your light bright. Those are the messages for today. Lots of love.